This is my mini stripe cardigan, which is a design that I've had in my Rocket Clothing London collection for quite a few years now. It's just a classic. It's something that you could put on your baby and it could be handed down through the generations. Just a simple button through with a little moss stitch collar. Shown here in a merino wool in these lovely teddy bear colours. So this is knitted in pieces, flat and seamed on single pointed needles, bottom up, and the trim is picked up at the end. With my knitting patterns in my collections, I give you very detailed instructions for how to pick up your trims, how many stitches, and pretty much stitch by stitch what to pick up. The collar is then continued on from your little rib trim, so it's pretty easy. This is the seam. If you would like to learn how to sew up invisible seams like these, do take a look at my knit technique video where I show you how to sew up, or how I sew up my invisible seams using this, and I hope it helps. So this design has some shaping at the armhole here at the top of the sleeve. You just need to know how to do a slip one, knit one, pass, slip stitch over, and a knit two together. And this shaping here matches with the sleeve, and you get this little fully fashioned detail. Fully fashioned detail is where you can see a line of stitches that follows your shaping. And this also happens up here on the trim, and this makes it much easier for you to pick up the trim when you're working your way along the edge of this line. So this is my mini stripe cardigan, and you can find the knitting pattern in my Rocket Clothing London collection, and you can find the link in the description below. I hope this helps.